Want to know how to activate power-ups in the Boo app? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under 2 minutes, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Boo application, and once you have done that, you should be provided with this interface right here. So once you are up with this interface, you should be seeing your current interface. So on the top left side, you should be seeing this menu icon right here. So you can just simply select it. And now once you have selected the menu here, you should be seeing notifications, power-ups right here. So you can just simply select power-ups, that should be right above notifications. So once you've selected power-ups, you should be seeing your current power-up that is available. So you can just simply choose from revival or time travel. So you can either revive all past souls or time travel to the last past souls. So you can just simply select activate right here. But here you can see the required coins or power up coin as well, so you can just simply use it very wisely. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.